Hello, my friends. I am so excited to share this die set with you. It is our Fold It set, our Fold It Club. So if you are new to the Fold It Club or you're just watching this totally randomly or something, the Fold It Club is a shaped card club. All of our items in this club are exclusive to this club. You won't find these on our website for sale. Only if you're a club member can you get these items. Are you ready? They come with 2 stencils. And you can also add on a stamp set. So I'll show you all of that. You also get a handy dandy postcard that shows you some ideas. But this Fold It is called a lantern die set. Now, what's really fun about this is the candle is separate. So let me turn it over here. So the candle is separate. You do get the shadow die for that. And you have that fun little crisscross. You have this optional little starburst die up at the top. And the samples I have to show you are so amazing. And I'm going to show you how to make a Fold It, so stay tuned. You're getting 2 stencils, like I mentioned. They are 5 by 7 in size. And one is a background, and let me show you that one. It is what we're calling an ombre background because it starts small and they get larger. The stars get larger. These stars are going to look familiar because it's also the part of the die, so it's the same star. But look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that so pretty? You're also getting a stencil to color, like if you wanted to like fog up the little windows on the lantern, which is really fun. You're also getting 2 different options on the candles for the wax to be melting, which is really fun. And you're getting those little stars up at the top if you want to do those as well. Now, about a year ago now, we had an optional add-on for the Shaped Card Club or the Fold It Club, which included a stamp set. Now, the stamp set I felt was like a must-have because it's awesome to get a shaped card in the mail, but then you're like, well, I need stamps that go with it, right? And I would be like searching and searching for stuff because, you know, I'm a card maker. That's why I make these things. And I would look for stamps that match. And I could never find any. So I started the add-on option of the stamp set. So it's 4 by 4 in size. $8 added on. It comes with your die set. And it always comes with fun puns. For example, warm wishes, because it's a candle, right? It also comes, now this is going to look a little messy. This is actually my stamp set that I tested. I had to put it in packaging to mock it up to show you in the video. But there's a cute little lantern. I always give you the small version of the Fold It so you could stamp it on the back or on your envelopes. You brighten my day. You're lit. Oh my gosh. Shine bright. And then you can say, shine bright, my friend. You're also getting a candle by itself. You light up every room and lighten up. So lots of fun little puns to add to the outside or the inside. Now let's jump in and look at some samples, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these. So here's one sample. This one's actually a shaker card, which is so fun. Look at how beautiful that is. Perfect for the holidays with that fun bow. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Isn't that adorable? Here's another one. Look at this. I love this. Has that cute little, the pine needles at the bottom. We have that fun little candle on it. So cute. I love that. Love it, love it. Here's another one that has the little candle and the fun little believe. Oh, so fun. Oh, and so you can add, and I want to point this out, you can add anything to this lantern. Here we've added poinsettias. Here we've added a dragonfly. Here we've added pine needles and a bow. The choice is yours, right? You can add anything. Here's a fun one. This one's almost an ornament. Mary. Isn't that cute? Here's one. I love this one. Peace. And just die cut and go, right? Here's a gorgeous, actually one of these was an ornament. Sorry, oh, the shaker card was an ornament. Isn't that awesome? I love that. Now here is one on a 5 by 7 card base. So now shaped cards or folded cards can be a shaped card. They can go on an A2 card base. They can go on a 5 by 7 card base, or, and my little guy's tilted here, here's an example of turning a Fold It into a box. So we have a die that goes on the inside that can turn any of our Fold Its into a box. So lots of different options. You can also make it a banner or use it in a scrapbook page. So many different ways to use them. Now, let me show you how easy they are to do because some people might be new to shaped cards or might be new to Fold Its and things like that. So what we're going to do, and this is the absolute hardest part. You're going to take a piece of cardstock and you're going to fold it in half. What? Fold that baby in half. That's all you're gonna do. Then you're gonna get the die, and I didn't prepare myself for this. I need to get a die out. And I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to get out the largest die in the set. That is kind of like the main die, the main character, right? And the largest die in the set on the back, and I know the camera can't catch it, but when you see it at home, you'll see it. On the back, it says place fold here. On the side, it says place fold here. So if you want it to be a side fold, here is my fold, you would put the fold on the inside where it says place fold here. Or if you wanted to fold at the top, you're going to do it right like this, place fold here. So I'm going to actually do this one on the side. I'm going to get some better than washi tape, and I'm going to, so there's my fold. It's on the inside of the die. I'm going to lay that down, and I'm just going to tape that down so it stays. Then I'm going to get some little folder to die cut this. I'm going to lay that down, and I'm going to run it through my machine. That's how simple it is. Now remember, my friends, this is folded cardstock that I'm just running through my die cut machine. The best part about our dies is they're designed to be card size. So this die is going to be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, standard card size in the United States. So here we go. I'm lifting that up. Now the first thing you're going to notice is, oh, this edge doesn't look right. It should look like this, right? It doesn't, but that's where the fold is. So there's the fold, right? So then you are going to die cut one that is just regular. You're going to take the exact same die cut it normal. Just die cut it normal, right? And then you're going to get this, and you're going to lay this right on top. So let's go ahead and just add some adhesive to this. We're going to add adhesive, and we're going to lay that right on top of that funny edge. Now I'm going to have the perfect card front. We're just going to lay that down. Look at that. Now I have the perfect card front, and look at that, the inside, right? Next, we're going to die cut all the other pieces and adhere them. Now I've already decorated this one, so let me show you. I've added some vellum, I've added some glitter, and look at how beautiful that is. I just die cut it and glued. That's all I did. And then I'm just gonna lay it right on top, and then boom, now I have a shaped card, much more exciting than a boring rectangle card, right? Look at how beautiful that is. I didn't even use the stencils that come with it as well. Check that out. I can also add a fun stamped image to the inside, and boom, there you go. Now, if you're in love with this lantern as much as I am, you cannot buy it. The only way you can get this is if you're in our Fold It Club. Now, our Fold It Club is only a 3-month commitment. After 3 months, you can cancel at any time, but we know you won't want to. If you join any of our clubs, you get a 15 to 20% discount off of every single item on our website. Every single day that you're a club member. Every single order. Anytime you come to our website, it's like a sale every day. You're getting 15 to 20% off, but you're getting the club discount. You're getting like the best friend discount, right? Now, if you're a club member, you're also not only getting that discount, you're also earning club points for savings on future purchases. And if you stay in a full year on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website. And every couple months, I like to throw in freebies. On this, especially on this club, I like to throw in extra free stencils a lot. Quite a bit, actually. So go check out our website, stampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and just watch the video that explains all of our clubs and all the goods and the excitement and all that fun, good stuff, okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.